Hey guys, Stephanie here. So in this video, we're going to be making a simple, easy pair of flex wire earrings and possibly to match our beautiful necklace. Now I will link this video in the description and also above so you can check it out. So you can see me make this really cute sort of it's a choker style necklace, kind of short. It's really cute though, but it's very glamorous. So I'll show you that really quick. So I finished that, and then now I was sitting here playing with it, and I thought, oh, well, maybe I should make some earrings to go with it, right? Because they have such cute pieces in this kit, I thought, well, let's go ahead and utilize all of the pieces in the kit, or most of them anyway, you know. So I was just sitting here playing with it, and I came up with this pair of earrings. And I'm going to go ahead and make these with the snowflake charms. They're really cute. So I put this one together, and I really like the layout of that. So I'm going to go ahead and make that. And I'm just going to make this other one here. So all I did was just put the findings on the wire and just load them on like that. And we'll have ourselves a cute, easy pair of really cute earrings. And we have enough pieces, literally, to make even more. Right? I still have all these beads left, y'all. I still have all these beads left. So I can make a few more projects with this, okay? So super cute and easy. Now I'm just stringing them. So make sure when you're stringing your earrings, you know, they match. We want them to match perfectly with what it is we're doing here. And I just put them on the wire. Just kind of like the same way I did the necklace. You know, make sure I have enough beads for a pair. And yeah, and I can always utilize these other pieces in other projects. So I love that. Make sure. All right, I put some crimps on here as well. So we're going to crimp those off. Just make sure they match. And yeah, easy peasy. So we already have the ear wires. Now what I had to do was I had to close the ear wires. Okay, so they're open like this, as you could see. And I just took my pliers and just closed it up because we're going to wrap our wire around that. Just make sure it's closed. Okay, it should be fine. Should not come apart. All right, so what I'm going to do is just put them around the ear wire here. Oh wait, let's put the, first of all, let's put our crimps on. I have one on the bottom, but I forgot about the top, so we're going to need those. And they come with, this kit comes with some crimps tubes, so that's nice. Okay, so that's nice. We'll just string that on there. Okay, and then we'll put this through here. And the same way we did our necklace is how we're going to do these. Just put it through the crimp tube and string it through the bead. I know you can't see it right now, but that's what I'm doing here. Okay. And we're going to pull it taut. And we should have some really cute earrings. So, yeah. There we go. Wait, gotta pull it on one end. Then pull it on the other. So just pull it down. And these are going to be like a drop earring. We don't want it too tight because we don't want it to buckle. We want it to hang freely. So let's just leave a little room there. There we go. All right. And that's how it's going to look. Very cute. Cute and easy and simple, right? Make sure this is not too taut here. Close our crimp off. Okay, got that. Close this one off. All right, there we go. All right, and then we just nip our, use our nipper tools and cut these off. And look at that, really cute pair of earrings. Real, yay, super cute. So I'm going to do the other one and we'll be done. Like, that's just how simple and easy it is, right? Just string your, you know, your beads on your wire, put your ear hook on here, put it through the ear hook, and thread it back through the crimp tube and the beads, and close it off. This video is showing you just a few things you can make with this really cute kit. Okay, so I think that's all I'm going to do. Just those two. And then I probably will put this wire through these two, you know. So we'll have a cute necklace and a cute pair of earrings. Again, and plenty more stuff to make other things. You can mix and match with your other kits, you know, the other kits that you received from them. Right? So let's pull it. All right, make sure we're good. I don't want it to be too tight, but I want it to kind of hang nicely. I don't want it to be too, like, buckle. Like, this is cute. Okay, we have that one. That's cute. Really cute. Really cute. Simple and easy. All right, so it's going to close off our crimps here. Okay, there we go. And then we'll close off the top here. Make sure we have our wire. There we go. All right, let's close that up. All right. So let's cut our wires here, and I will show you the finished product. All right. Oh, very cute. All right, let's put our little pieces here aside. Got kind of a mess going on, y'all. Okay, guys, this is cute. Look at the cute necklace, the little choker necklace, and the cute earrings to go with it. That's darling, isn't it? Just so cute. Let me hold them up so you can see them. Cute little flex wire earrings, simple, easy earrings. Gorgeous, right? Perfect for wintertime, Valentine's Day. You know, super cute, right? Super, super cute. So, all right, guys. So that is the end of the video. I just wanted to make something else. Now, I have more pieces here. I could probably make another necklace if I wanted. Enough wire to probably make another necklace or a couple more pairs of earrings or a bracelet. You can always make a bracelet to go with this. So you have a nice little set. Probably make another pair of earrings and a bracelet, you know. So you'll have two, you know, a necklace, maybe 2 pairs of earrings and a bracelet. That's great, right? You can't even buy that for $32.95. So the fact that this kit comes with so much good stuff is amazing. So definitely check the website, softflexcompany.com. I will put the link down in the description. And if there is a section on there that said, you know, how you heard about them, tell me you watched Stephanie Garrett Creative, okay? All right, guys, go run out and get your kits. And you can order them, you know, they're different month to month. Again, they're $32.95. And you have to sort of jump on it because these sell out really fast, all right? So, yeah, I love this. It's gorgeous, all right? So I've had fun working with this kit. And thank you to Soft Flex for sending it to me. I really appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching, all right? So if you have any questions or comments, leave it below and I'll answer it and get back to you. And give me a follow on my social media at Stephanie Garrett Creative on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And Stephanie Garrett Designs over on Facebook and Instagram for my jewelry, okay? All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.